Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl SashWnNa and I am back with another video. As you can see, I still have in my butterfly goddess locks. It has been about 3 weeks now and I was just about to pull them out. My hair is in a horrible state after 3 weeks. I really like this hair. I really don't want to pull it out. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to refresh your faux lock. Before I get into this video, please ensure that you hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell so that you're updated when a new video comes out. Also, just give me a thumbs up already because this video is gonna be awesome. Let's go. Okay, so as you can see, my braids are really loosening out. You know, my edges need some deodorants. So as I had mentioned, I'm going to be using some of the leftover hair that I have. Had it in a bag. Ladies, don't throw away the hair. Don't do it.
Don't do it.
The first thing I did was wash my hair. That's very essential. This is also important because I want to remove all the buildup and so forth that was there before, because I will be adding more products to my hair. After I washed my hair, I added in my leave-in conditioner right away. Then I allowed my hair to air dry, so it's very much dry right now and it doesn't smell funky at all. As usual, I'm going to be starting off with the front section of my hair just so that you guys can see what exactly I'll be doing. I'm going to start off with this one at the front. I'm going to kind of put my hair back. And this is where we're starting. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the hair in the space. So this is how it's looking, as I said before. I'm going to be taking my hair gel wax. And this smells absolutely delicious. I'm just gonna take some of that and I'm just gonna add it to my hair. I'm gonna press that in to my hair. Alright, so I have one strand of the passion twist. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it in half like this. So this is how we're looking. I'm gonna then go ahead, take my crochet needle and I'm gonna hook the hair on that and pull that through. So now we're looking just like this. So I'm gonna, the part that is more tapered, that's gonna be the side that we're going to be using to wrap the hair. So I'm gonna keep this side very short. So I'm just gonna put that onto the hair. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start wrapping from the root. And I'm just gonna wrap it around my hair. Please note that I am separating the hair. So I'm wrapping it around the roots a lot more and then I'm going to carry it down. So separate and wrap. Separate and wrap. Then once I get to where I have the last bit, like this, just gonna separate it and just tie the hair. Just to keep it in place. And that's it. Do you guys see the difference? I'm just gonna do it on this side to show you again. Same thing here, very loose. So I take some gel add that to the hair. Just press that in. And to take the other half of the hair, just clip that on and pull it through. We separate and wrap. Separate and wrap. To get to the end, we just pull this apart. And we tie it. And then we just rub that into our hair. So as you guys can also see, my parts, they're not that neat, but that is fine. It's quite okay. So I'm going to be going off camera just to finish this look, and I'll be right back. Guys, I am back. Look at my hair. Look at my hair. I'm gonna finish it off by adding some mousse just to add back some shine to the lower parts of my hair. Shake that baby up. Then I'm gonna add some castor oil to my hair as well. And I'm gonna wind the baby hairs, lay them all around. And this is the final look. Slicked, neat, beautiful. So guys, this was super easy, this was super fun. I mean, it's just so surprising that my hair is back like how it was again from the beginning, and probably even better. So guys, remember, do not throw away unused hair. You're gonna need it at some point in time. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like this video, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think. Did I do a good job? Let me know. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and have a wonderful week.